So when working with customers and clients, we know that people adapting to a new set of behaviors within their system tends to be really intimidating. One nice thing about Agiloft is because we are a fully no-code customizable platform, we allow our business processes and our software to actually be directly configured to match the customer's business process exactly, so that they don't have to begin to change their behaviors. Instead, Agiloft can actually adapt to the way that you already do business. That helps to make it very functional. So it makes that sort of behavior change curve a lot less steep, which we know is really key to making sure that it's actually adopted inside the company. The second thing, when it comes to advanced analytics, right, and having a computer be able to generate the different types of KPIs and the information that they have inside the system, people tend to think that that means that they're going to be judged, and using those advanced analytics to make determinations about their own individual performance or the performance of a department that they might run. And we know that can be really, really intimidating and scary for folks. One nice thing about working with advanced analytics and being able to have that information, we can make sure that we're actually connecting it to the exact points in the business process, so that we can help make sure that information is actually talking not only just about the outputs of productivity, but also what are the inputs and how is the process working and how can that process be improved, to make it less about individuals' performances and instead thinking about what are the processes we're using to make the best decisions to help move our company and our mission forward. So that's another reason why we make sure that we're actually listening to our customers' business process, because we are so adaptable and we can actually adapt. We can make sure that the outputs that the performance indicators that they're looking at are actually the ones that are actually going to help them improve their process and drive their business, and are not just like the canned out of the box ones that you might get from other systems that cannot be so easily customized.
Great. And then how much do you think customers' KPIs change once they understand their own data?
Absolutely. So we have so many customers who come in thinking, oh, we definitely need to look at how many units we're selling, right, or how many customer relationships we have, how much revenue we're generating through those contracts. But what they end up learning, especially as they are going through that discovery process of better understanding their own business processes, right, they learn that a lot of the process indicators are really, really helpful for them in making those strategic decisions, and they end up changing. We know once you deploy these systems is when you actually begin to better understand exactly how internally it works and how it can be better. And at that point, with many of our competitors, right, you've already hard-coded a system to that, and now you are having to make changes, which means you have to bring in more additional, very expensive developer resources. And one of the beauties of Agiloft is that because we are a no-code platform, you can actually have those individual small little changes or those new reports customized and generated in a fraction of the time and a very cost-effective method.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Sure.